Hi, my name is Megan Nomkhelengulube. I am a second-year civil engineering student and I'm from Midrand.
Hi, my name is Tshepang, a final year student right here in the University of Johannesburg for civil engineering technology.
One project, practical, or a moment that made me feel like this is where I'm supposed to be was when we were doing a soil practical. This is basically where we were trying to understand the properties of soil in different characteristics. So here we're taking different soil samples, compacting them, doing different tests on them, and then that's when I actually got to understand that civil engineering isn't actually only about bridges. It's actually a very broad concept that can be explored in many different ways.
I come from Nelspruit in Mpumalanga, and one project that really made me realize that engineering is where I want to be is, funny enough, my actual final year project. We are currently basically planning to build a new township from scratch. So we basically use everything that we learned from first year, second year, and third year. So that's like geotechnical studies, think about all of the things that you worked on Civil 3D, and you use a lot of softwares. So that is the one that I'm saying that, yeah, that's the one that showed me that this is where I want to be.
The reason why I chose civil engineering is because I felt like it is a market that can be explored. There's so many different aspects in civil engineering, and I felt like in terms of sustainability, we have so much to get to. So I thought that if I become a civil engineer, I can make an impact in our community and in our country to make the world a better place.
The reason why I chose civil engineering technology was when I was growing up, I was really inspired by the stories that are out here. All of the problem-solving things, such as people will be living on the other side of the river. They have to travel a very long way to get to the other side of the river. And then one day someone comes being a civil engineer and then they solve that basic problem, and that one problem helped a lot of people in my community. And from then I told myself that I also want to be a part of that type of movement. So that's why I chose civil engineering technology.
What surprised me the most about university and civil engineering is that there's actually a lot of support. You would think that when you get here, you're just going to be alone and you're not going to have any support from anyone, but your lecturers are actually there to support you. We have different support systems like SciCAD and ADC. There's so much to explore in university. It's not just books. There's another world out there.
The thing that surprised me the most about my course, I would say that it's really the support. In high school, a lot of the times, if you're struggling with a module or subject really in high school, you have to go and then pay for tutors and so on and so forth. But then in university, that support doesn't even come with an extra cost. It comes with the university. So UJ really did help me in that, and also just the support in terms of your mental health, things such as SciCAD, being able to go anytime to go and speak about any problems that you're having, especially about your course. So yeah, that was what really surprised me about my course.